Hari Om. Begin each day listening to the most auspicious sound in the universe. Yoga of Self-Control, Meditation, Chapter 6, Shloka 10. Let the yogi try constantly to keep the mind steady, remaining in solitude, alone with the mind and body controlled, free from hope and greed.
Chapter 6, Shloka 10. Yogi yunjita satatam atmanam ragasi stitah ekaki yata chittatma nirashit aparigrahah.
Chapter 6, Shloka 10. The equal vision of the perfect was explained by our own example. Our body parts are different, but we have equal love for all, as they all belong to me. One who has realized the self sees the same self in the whole universe, and so his relationship with the different parts is also equal. In this shloka, Lord tells us the methods by which one can attain the highest goal and assure for himself the surest result. Lord says that let the yogi try constantly to keep the mind steady, remain in solitude, alone, with the mind and body controlled, and free from hope and greed. These are the methods of self-development and the technique of self-perfection. Lord doesn't promise any secret method, but openly declares that the entire responsibility is on the seeker. He must develop self-control through yoga or yajna practices, and then constantly practice concentration. It is through practice of meditation that he will grow out of his weakness and discover the perfection. Details of how the meditation is to be carried out are now explained. Sitting in solitude means withdrawing one's mental and physical preoccupations and not going to a mountain cave or a jungle. Any quiet place is good for meditation. Physically alone means living in self-control, that is, to be free from the tendency of eagerness to possess and anxiety to hoard. Free from hope means renouncing our eagerness and plans to possess more. Free from possessions mean our anxieties in saving, hoarding, and protecting what we possess. When these physical and mental habits have dropped, he should sit in meditation, in contemplation of the truth in all secrecy. He is a true seeker, cut out for the highest achievement that is possible in this life, Learn more in the next shloka in the next video. To understand Gita, join Chinmaya Mission study group in your area. There are over 300 Chinmaya Mission centers in the world. Kindle Life is the first text prescribed in the scheme of study by Swami Chinmayananda himself. Watch Ranjot Kalra's videos on Kindle Life online. See this video clipping again and again till you can answer the following questions.